everyone, welcome back. Today's vlog is a little different from my usual because I'm taking you along to relive some blissful, joy-filled moments from the past 2 weeks. So don't forget to subscribe. It's all about slowing down, smiling more, and capturing those little things that make life glow. The heavy rains have been a little gloomy lately, but even in the middle of it all, we found a reason to step out for dinner. From craving a juicy steak, some fresh Italian salad, and a slice of pizza, and honestly, it was just the refresh we needed. The sadness slowly faded away, even though the non-stop downpour still feels a bit unsettling with the season changing. But somehow we manage a time to sit together and dine. Finally, a clear blue sky after so long. Just seeing it feels so calming and refreshing. Though the walls still need time to dry, the sunshine brings a little relief to my mood. You can see the walls are still in search of some heat. Let's do a little unboxing. I got a few parcels that arrived recently. First up, this kurta from Mario. A creamy white piece with the softest, most trendy fabric. Another timeless white to add to my wardrobe. Just like I mentioned in my previous video. This is the second parcel, the Georgette print cord set from Peach Republic. Let's crack this open. Since winter is just around the corner, I'm already prepping for my favorite season, and this color, pure aesthetic vibes. You can see the look the model have when she wears it. And this kurta. This is the look. Hopefully I got the same look when I wear it. Finally, an evening to just chill. The rain has stopped after so many days, and we decided to drop by a $1 store to explore what's new. The best thing about this place is that you can literally find everything for just $1. So come along, let's take a little tour inside. You can see what things they have. This is some like gifts already packed well. There is a huge variety of the things. You can see even they have the portable cables, chargers, headphones, earphones. And again, stopping towards the cute baby things. Look at the sleepers. I mean, बच्चे ऑलरेडी इतने क्यूट होते हैं और अगर वो ऐसी ऐसी क्यूट चीज़ें पहनेंगे तो So let's move towards makeup and skincare. They also have this section. The makeup section is fully stocked, from face washes to lip glosses, sponges to eyeliners, mascaras, and so much more. You can see, honestly, they have just about everything lined up in the shelves, and I like the cute, small, tiny lip balms. These are the ones. Even they have the Hello Kitty lip balms. So cute. Oh my god, to my surprise, I spotted the cutest keychains with Sanrio characters. Totally didn't expect to find something like this in a local dollar store. Pure Japanese vibes. I couldn't resist and I ended up getting not one but two of the same keychains. You can see they are the cutest. Haul time, guys. Let's dive in and see what I picked up on this little shopping tour. First up is this super cute headband, such an essential for my skincare routine. I use it every week when I do a deep cleanse and it just makes the whole process easier and a little more fun. And this is the cute camera keychain. It reminds me of my childhood when we click photos with this. There are some products related to makeup like this creamy blush. This is a concealer. You can use it to contour your face or as a concealer too. So it is up to you that how you want to use it. I love the cream blushes and I am surprised to see this quality and this item in that store. Next is this adorable piano keychain, total aesthetic vibes, and best part is you can play music on it too. And then this is the little pink pony. How cute is that? It's giving the sweetest Pinterest worthy vibes. And then some super cute hairpins. I feel like I'm slowly starting a little mini collection of cute girly pink pins, and this is just the beginning. Next we can see this is the little mirror for my makeup accessories collection. I am obsessed with the printed background and it shines and just makes it look so adorable. Finally, my favorite item, this is the adorable Sanrio doll keychain. I love the look, I love everything about it. And you know what the most exciting part is? It was just $1. I mean just 270 PKR, and even it comes with a tiny ring or chain organizer where you can tuck in a ring or a pendant, as you can see yourself. I mean, how awesome is that? Put everything back into my little basket, which by the way I also got from this store, not this one but a few others as well. Couldn't resist collecting them. I have many more baskets from the same store as well. So this is the final look and I'm very happy to see all the things I got from just a nearby local store. Can even see the little collectors shining on the wall. That's from my unicorn camera keychain. It's so pretty. Okay everyone, have a good day and hope you feel great by seeing this.